In this video, I want to show you how to enable printer sharing on your Windows computer. So this printer doesn't have Wi-Fi, but you can share it using your Windows computer. This way, other Windows computer in the same network will have access to it. They won't be obligated to be plugged in. So what you need to do, first of all, click on the Windows Start button, then select Settings. Then on the left side, you're going to select Bluetooth and devices, and then printers and scanners. Your printer needs to be connected using a USB cable, so you're going to see it in this list. This is mine, right over here. Click on it, select Printer Properties, and from here, you see one of the tabs on the top should be sharing. So tap on sharing, and this is what you need to check. You need to check share this printer. It will give you the name of the printer that you can edit, you can change it, and then render print jobs on client computers. Make sure both of these are checked and then press the apply button. Then OK, and this is about it. This printer is now shared in the network and other PCs will be able to see it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, but also comment if it worked for you. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.